Well, Asian stocks are facing a significant downturn today, with fears of a global recession intensifying as President Trump's tariffs take effect. Japan's market suffered a sharp decline, while Hong Kong and South Korea also saw their stocks slip. China, which faces the heaviest tariffs, experienced smaller losses compared to its neighbours, though its market still felt the pressure. Meanwhile, Taiwan's market has entered bear market territory, reflecting growing investor concern. Meanwhile, European stocks are under pressure today, struggling to hold onto the gains from the previous session. Markets had snapped a four-day losing streak on Tuesday, riding a wave of optimism from Asia-Pacific rebounds. But that momentum quickly faded. Investors are now digesting the broader fallout of President Trump's latest tariff action, with Europe and other US trading partners poised to respond. Well, joining us to discuss the markets further is Ayanaba Banerjee, a correspondent with NewsX World. Ayanaba, thank you very much for joining us. What more can you tell us about the market reactions to this unprecedented action from Donald Trump's administration?
Thank you, Joshua, for having me. Now let's turn to Europe markets. Europe markets have just opened up. Let's start with IBEX 35, which is the benchmark stock market index of Spain. So we can see that IBEX 35 has gone down 2.06%, and the points have gone down 248. The market now stands at 11,820.30 points. If we move on to the next market, which is FTSE market, the Financial Times Stock Exchange of United Kingdom, it now stands at 7,717.80 points. It has gone down 192.73 points from yesterday and has gone down 2.44% from yesterday. So we can see that the European markets are really struggling with the numbers. They are in a constant slump. The markets are going down. Moving on to DAX stock market, which is from Germany. The market currently stands at 19,781.59 points. It has gone down 498.67 points and 2.46% from yesterday. Moving on to CAC 40, which is a benchmark French stock market index. It has gone down 175.15 points from yesterday, and now at 6,925.98 points. Now, moving on to Asian markets, which we have been covering since 220, which market in NewsX stands at 31,714.03 points, which has gone down 1,298.55 points since yesterday, which basically means it has gone down 3.93% since yesterday. Tokyo Stock Exchange is going down. Moving on to Shanghai, it's very important to note that the Shanghai stock market has not gone down so much as compared to other Asian markets, even though the 104% tariff implemented has come into effect since today. Still, we can see that the SSE composite index or the stock exchange, Shanghai Stock Exchange, is still trying to compete with the market, and the numbers are still there. It's not slumped yet. It currently is at 3,186.81 points. It actually has gone up 41.26 points, and it has gone up 1.31%. But Nifty 50, which is the National Stock Exchange of India, it has gone down 134 points or 0.59%, and it currently stands at 22,404.95. Meanwhile, in Australia, the ASX 200, which is basically the Australian Securities Exchange, currently stands at 7,375 points. It has gone down 135 points since yesterday, or 1.80% since yesterday. This is all we have for now, Josh. Back to you in the studio.
Yes, thank you, Ayanaba, for providing some more insight there. The market's unstable. We're still waiting to see the impact on the US stock markets as they open later today. But